Guys, don't forget to subscribe and help the channel get to 160,000 subs. Welcome to Amavenzo TV. It's the World Cup qualifiers. Bafana 3, Rwanda 0. I'm joined by friend, my sister Ikama Obanu Pumagu.
Kamalami Bridget Mwagamkansi from Ward 9 in Komazi in Tonga.
Utini baby.
I drove from Komazi saying you worried.
Yeah.
Because the Ndwari nation said
Yeah.
they are here for Rwanda national anthem. What I can say now, Steve, I am no longer. Steve, I am no longer disappointed. 3 Orlando Pirates, 0 Ndwari nation.